Hello and welcome back to my channel, From Dust to Shine. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I organized my bathroom drawers on a budget. I struggle to keep this area clean and it drives my husband crazy. So I decided I needed to do something about it, and honestly, I love the way it ended up. Okay, so now that we have the counter wiped down, I'm going to start with this top drawer, and I'm just going to take everything out, and then I'm going to try to find a home for it and put it in those white baskets. And this is everything that I took out of my top drawer. Now that I have the drawers all cleaned out, I'm going to be using my Mrs. Meyer's multi-purpose cleaner, and I'm just going to let that sit while I continue on to my second drawer. And that is everything that came out of the second one. It just seems like it keeps on getting worse and worse. Okay, so this is really disgusting. That is just hair and makeup, and those are flossers that have hair tangled on them. This is just really, really gross. But you know, this is real life. This is what happens when you get busy and you just forget about these little things. Okay, looks like the multi-surface cleaner is ready to be wiped down, so let's get started. Let me know in the comments down below, when was the last time that you actually cleaned your bathroom drawers? Meaning you took everything out, cleaned them, wiped them down, and organized, because guys, it had been a really long time since I had done mine. Like you can clearly see, it was not one of my priorities. And now here I am vacuuming up all of that hair and that makeup and onto my third drawer. I'm just going to take everything out and keep on piling it on the floor and decide what I'm going to keep and what needs to be thrown away. And finally, I have all of the drawers nice and clean, and I am getting ready to put in these white baskets. They are from Walmart and they were only 96 cents each. And honestly, I just love how everything fit in there, just so nice. Everything had a home, and I really loved the end result. I'm gonna go do counting now.
This is funny.
I want you to go there and count. I'm gonna say, like, my daughter wanted to know if you guys could tell we go to the dentist a lot.
Ew.
Okay, go.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What is this? 7, 8, 9, and 6 toothpaste. Like, do you really need all of these?
We go to the dentist a lot.
My favorite place.
Okay, you guys, so there you have it. The white baskets, these right here did not fit in this top drawer, but I'm going to go buy the smaller ones. So basically this is all that I really need in the top one. So that looks pretty clean now, and I really like the way that this turned out. So now I have all of our extra toothbrushes and toothpaste. These are just the cheap ones that you get from the dentist, but sometimes, you know, we have company over and they need a toothbrush, so we have those available. And then I have all of the things that my son needs. He has braces, so he has his plackers, he has all of his floss, his rubber bands, and I really like the way that this looks so clean and organized. And this third drawer, I just have the hair dryer and brushes and combs. And the bottom drawer, I just have just some files, and this is some of my extra makeup that I just always have so I don't run out. And that is it. And there you have it. I hope you enjoyed this video and it brought you some inspiration to go and organize your own bathroom drawers. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.